everybody do the flop. It's 3 in the morning. Okie dokie, so for the first step of this makeup, I'm going to be popping on a plain latex ball cap. Now, it's not completely necessary for the look. Wait, that's a prosthetic. Wait, I'm not even applying a ball cap for this makeup. Oh, it's like a reflex at this point. So for the next step, we're going to work on the eye area. So I'm going to take a Crowell and bruise wheel. Now, bruise wheels are just really freaking hard to open. Hang on. So what is it exactly? Oh, there's a bug on my hand. Hello. What? Hello, little bug. I'm going to put you there for a bit. 1 second. Good little bug. Okay. What are we doing? Hello. Oh, did I smack you in the face then? No, you didn't. Sorry. Oh, God. All right. There's an outtake. So for the next step, we're going to work on the eye area. So to do that, I'm going to take a Crowell and bruise wheel. This is by Crowell. I already said that. Dang it. Okie dokie, so the first step for this makeup is going to be to pop on a plain latex bald cap. So, as always, I'll pop a link on the screen up there, editing. That link will take you to a video that I did in the past. Oh no. What? Oh no, I got a little watermark. No! I was doing so well, I was going so close to doing it in one take. Dang it! I'm gonna let that dry and do it again. So there we are. So next I can take a black face paint. This one is, oh, that's purple. I feel sticky. Oh, so sticky. I feel sticky. Oh my God, I'm so fucking sticky. Oh my God, I made the mistake of going behind my ear and it's trickled down my back and now my back is sticky and my front is sticky, my face is sticky, inside my ear is sticky. I'm so sticky. The things I do for content. So bruise wheels are just different shades of creams just that resemble a different bruise. I really like to have wagon wheels in my kit just in case no, wait. Did I say wagon wheels? I said wagon. I've not had a wagon wheel since I was 12. God, do they even make wagon wheels anymore? Hang on a minute. Oh, they do! Oh, I want a wagon wheel. Sorry. Back to painting. Every other take, my tummy keeps bloody rumbling and I don't know what to do about it. I can't eat with a face like this. Oh, God. Down, girl. Come on, come on. We can eat soon, I promise. Come on, you can do it. The Hag by Robert Herrick. The hag is astride this night for to ride. Oh, come on, Tammy, no. Oh. This feels like that one scene in Death Becomes Her where she's trying to drastically stick parts of herself back on with spit. She's like, lick and stick and it just doesn't work and it just keeps falling down. So where's my bloody potion? I want a potion. Okie dokie, so for the first step of this makeup, we're going to need to get rid of all of our hair. That includes our eyebrows and head hair. As opposed to what hair? Hang on. So then I'm going to take the same black face paint before and a super... Where is it? I just had it. Mother fluffer. I had it in my hand. Oh, it's in my bloody lap. Of course it is. Anyway, I also messied up my hair with so much hairspray and fake blood. I'm really not comfy right now and I'm sure you guys can think of a better thing to do, but I didn't know what to do. Oh no. So there we go, nice and smooth. So the next step is to draw on our face details. So I'm going to be using a Crowell and face liner for this, mainly because it's really easy to like remove if you make a mistake. Actually, to be honest, it looks like a magic wand. I mean, it is really good for removing, but in general, it looks like a magic wand and it's really long and it makes me happy doing this. I like the swish. I'm not putting that in. I have never been so sticky. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm only just now realising the flaw in my plan. I can't bloody see anything. Oh my God. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. Okay, it's a bloody glove. It's not rocket science. Come the fuck on. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Come on. Come on. There you go. Look at that. I'm half dressed. What an accomplishment. Although my glove is inside out. Fuck. Wake up in the morning feeling really fucking sticky. I popped on a top hat with a red rim. Don't know why I said it like that, ew.
And all their velvet noses thrilled with laughter, strange to see.
Oh, I hear a kitty. Oh, I hear a kitty.
My cat!
Oh, I hear a kitty.
His name's Baxter.
My weakness.
Oh no.
Everybody do the flop. It's 3 in the morning. Motherfucker! My tie will not sit straight. Like, no matter what... my tie, like myself, is never going to be straight. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Close enough. There we go. Kitties! Sorry. Oh my goodness. Hello, babies. 2 babies. There's 2 babies.
I actually have 3. The other one's up on my bed.
Oh my goodness. What?
Yeah,
oh my god,
there's the
that's
other
3 kitties! Oh, that's so many kitties. That is a kitty pile. What a brilliant problem to have. A pile of kitties.